myself, I don't want nobody else to ever love me. You are my shining star, my guiding light, my love fantasy. There's not a minute, hour, day or night that I don't love you. You're at the top of my list, cause I'm always thinking of you. I still remember in the day when I was scared to touch you. You had me dreaming, planning, scheming, how to say I love you. You must have known that I had feelings deep enough to swim in. That's when you opened up your heart and you told me to come in. Oh my love, 1,000 kisses from you is never too much. And I just don't wanna stop. Oh my love, 1,000,000 days in your arms is never too much. And I just don't wanna stop.
Never too much, never too much, never too much.
Woke up this morning, bought your picture just to get me started. I called you up and you weren't there and I was broken hearted. Can't be too late to go to work, the boss is so demanding. Opened the door and to my surprise there you were standing. Who needs to go to work to hustle for another dollar? I'd rather be with you cause you make my heart scream and holler. Love is a gamble and I'm so glad that I'm winning. We've come a long way and as this is only the beginning of my love, 1,000 kisses from you is never too much. And I just don't wanna stop. Oh my love, 1,000,000 days in your arms is never too much. And I just don't wanna stop. Oh my love, 1,000 kisses from you is never too much.